Welcome, everyone. A big hello to all of our listeners, gym owners, operators, managers, salespeople, entrepreneurs, and personal trainers. You are absolutely in the right place. Today, we're going to be walking you through a fantastic white paper by Jim Thomas. Our goal here is simple, to give you some real, actionable insights that can totally change the game for your gym. All right, let's just dive right in with the one question that gets to the very heart of the struggle for so many in the fitness industry. Think about it. Is the thing you built to create freedom for yourself actually costing you all of it? It's a tough question, but it's time to find out. So what's really going on here? Well, at its core, it's this fundamental conflict. This daily battle between doing the immediate hands-on tasks, the stuff that keeps the lights on, and stepping back to do the strategic work that will actually grow your business for the long haul. And this conflict, it really forces you into one of two roles inside your own gym. You're either the operator or you're the entrepreneur. And believe me, the mindset you choose is going to directly decide where your business ends up. The difference here is just, it's night and day. The operator is down in the trenches, right? They're handling all the daily tactical work. The entrepreneur, on the other hand, they're taking that bird's eye view, focusing on the bigger picture, the systems and the strategy that let the business scale, and eventually run without them. So what does that operator role actually look like day to day? Well, it's all of this stuff. Look, every owner has to do these things, especially when you're just starting out. But the trap is when you never stop. If you're still the only one who can handle a complaint or give a sales tour, you haven't really built a business. You've just created a really high-stress job for yourself. Now, in complete contrast, the entrepreneurial mindset is all about activities that give you leverage. You'll notice none of these tasks are about folding towels. This is about building a machine. You're developing plans, you're empowering your team, and you're creating systems so the business can grow way beyond your own personal effort. This is where the magic happens.
So, how do you know which role you're really playing? I mean, it can be tough to see it when you're in the thick of it every single day. That's exactly why Jim Thomas provides this really simple but incredibly powerful tool he calls the indispensability test.
This is it. This is the ultimate test, and you have to be really honest with yourself here. If you took a true, disconnected, one-week vacation, no calls, no emails, what would you come back to? Would membership numbers be up? Would your team have everything under control? If the answer is no, or even maybe not, that's a huge sign you're stuck working in the business. Yeah, if that last question made your stomach clench a little bit, you might recognize these other warning signs too. If every single decision has to flow through you, if sales drop the second you leave the floor, or if your calendar has zero time blocked out for actual planning, you're in the operator trap. But hey, just recognizing the trap, that's the first huge step. So now let's get to the good stuff, the solution. Making this shift is totally possible, and this white paper gives us a really clear 5-step plan to get you working on your business, not just stuck in it. Okay, here's the game plan broken down. Number 1, document everything. Create systems so you can delegate effectively. 2, hire or outsource for roles you shouldn't be doing anymore. 3, and this is so important, schedule CEO time on your calendar and treat it like it's sacred. 4, focus your energy only on those high-leverage activities. And finally, number 5, stop measuring your success by how busy you were and start measuring it by actual growth and profit. And why are we going through all this effort? Because the end goal here isn't just to be a little less busy. The ultimate goal is to transform your gym from something that eats up all your time into a true asset, something that has real value, that can grow on its own, and that gives you back your freedom. And this quote right here, it's the most important takeaway. It says it all. Your effort should be laser-focused on building a machine that can run without you. That is the definition of a real business. So the question you got to ask yourself is, are you building an asset for your future, or are you just building a job for today? Now, if you're ready to make this shift and you want some expert guidance on your journey, we highly recommend you get in touch with Jim Thomas directly. You can reach him at 214-629-7223, or you can send him an email at jthomas@fmconsulting.net. And finally, a huge thank you to our sponsor, Gym Business Manager. If you're looking for the best gym software out there to help you systemize and grow your business, you've got to check them out at gymbusinessmanager.com. Thanks so much for tuning in.